A horrific incident has shook the entire Andhra Pradesh. In public, a YSRCP youth wing member was hacked to death. The man was thrashed in the middle of the road in Andhra Pradesh's Palnadu district last night. Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to HW News English. A political war has erupted in Andhra Pradesh. Jagan Mohan Reddy led YSRCP party is blaming TDP goon behind this brutal attack, whereas Chandrababu Naidu's TDP is blaming YSRCP for politicizing the issue. According to news reports, at around 8:30 pm on 17th July 2024, this attack unfolded. It was also captured on camera. The victim is identified as Sheikh Rashid, who was a member of YSRCP youth wing. Rashid was allegedly attacked by TDP's Sheikh Jilani. Deceased Rashid was attacked by a machete, stabbed repeatedly by Jilani on a busy street. His hand was chopped off. There were bystanders who stood there muted. Rashid also suffered a fatal neck wound. He succumbed to his injuries while receiving treatment in hospital. Accused Sheikh Jilani has been arrested by the Andhra Pradesh police. The investigation is on into the matter. TDP spokesperson Joshna Tirunagari, while talking to HW News English, issued clarification from her party's side. She claimed that both the accused and the victim are from the Jagan Mohan Reddy's YSRCP. She said that the party had a meeting today. Let's hear what she has to say.
Yeah, we from Telugu Desam Party always are against violence, and violence has got no place in Andhra Pradesh. We are very particular about that. Even in this horrifying incident also, regardless of party affiliations, stricter action would be taken. That's one thing we want to assure. Second thing is, YSRCP is trying to actually politicize this particular issue. But if we have to talk politics, then both these people belong to YSRCP. And even the local police have confirmed. The particular SP has confirmed, saying that both of them have got some, personal animosity. It's something to do with their personal things, nothing to do with the party or party affiliations. Their first thing.
TDP has made their stand clear that there is no place for violence in Andhra Pradesh. Kanchi Srinivas Rao, the superintendent of Palnadu Police, while talking to HW News English, has stated that in this case there is no political link and that it was because of some personal rivalry. YSRCP after this attack has made an appeal to President Draupadi Murmu. The party has appealed to President to take cognizance of law and order situation in Andhra Pradesh. Prohibitory orders are enforced in Vinukonda town. This is the same town where the brutal murder took place. The police have made it clear that any attempts to incite unrest or disturb peace in the area would be met with severe consequences. This incident has shocked the entire Andhra Pradesh. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.